I am Courtney. I am an event specialist here at OCALI, and I have been here a little over 9 years, and originally started out in early childhood for about 6.5 years, and then I moved full-time into the conference team here a couple years ago. And we're constantly looking at what can we be doing better, what can we be doing differently about this event, and if we can bring everybody together for that event, there's a lot of magic that can happen and a lot of synergy, where people start sparking, ideas start flowing, something that becomes another project, another initiative, another meeting, another connection, another network. It's critical to our mission. Coming into this job, I had no background in autism or disabilities. The second day of the job, we hosted a press conference here in our office on behalf of then the Governor of Ohio, John Kasich, for mandated insurance coverage for autism services so that families could get better supports and services for their child. He said something that struck me so much. I wrote it down on a Post-it, and I've had it now for 9 years. You focus on what the Lord wants you to do, and He is absolutely thrilled when we take people out of the shadows and we give them the opportunity to find their God-given destiny. I loved that quote, and it has resonated so often with me over the years, and it really, in a lot of ways, has become my why. This is what drives me. When we all work together, create opportunities for others to flourish, whatever their talents may be, whatever their differences may be, a better story gets told in that process. And I want to be a part of that story.